Greetings Africans, how are you Africans? I hope you guys are well. I'm well guys. My name is Devos Kosana and this is my channel. Okay guys, on this video we're talking about the sacking of the MISIZULU Prime Minister, Reverend THULASIZWE BUTHELEZI. Right, the news broke, it was 2 days ago, yeah, it must have been 2 days ago, when it was announced that the Zulu King MISIZULU has dismissed his Prime Minister, Reverend THULASIZWE BUTHELEZI. Okay, so we asked the reason. What could be the reason behind this dismissal? Why did King MISIZULU dismiss Reverend THULASIZWE BUTHELEZI as the Zulu Nation Prime Minister? What are the reasons behind this dismissal? Okay, because I see yesterday